Hello and welcome to the channel. This is my first ever YouTube video. Today we shall be making a working Lego vending machine. So first of all you will need a 4x4 plate and a 1x4 block and stick it here like that, and two 1x1 blocks and stick them on either corners. Just like that. Now you will need 4 of these pieces, 1x2s with a ridge in the centre, and stick them on either side. Just like that. You will now need a arch 1x4 piece and stick it here, just like that, and two 1x2 slope ties and stick them onto the opening at the arch, just like that. We are now going to make the back wall. So if you get one 1x4 block and stick it on top, and two 1x2 block and stick them on top of that, just like so. Now if you grab a 1x4 Technique piece and stick it here, just like that, you will now need 3 of these Technique pieces and stick them into all 3 of the holes. Just like that. You will now need one 1x1 red light piece and stick it here, one green light piece and stick it there, and one blue light piece and stick it there, like that. You will now need one of these and stick 2 2x2 pieces underneath and one of the 1x2 plates. You will now repeat that step, so you shall end up with 2 of these. You will now need 2 of these ramp pieces and a small ramp piece and stick it on top like that. And if you get your first building, drop the ramp pieces inside and secure it just like that. You will now need 2 of these red solid 1x1 mosaic pieces, and if you stick that into the hole just like that and repeat that for all. Now that you have this, you can grab your 2 T pieces you made earlier, stick them here just like so, and grab another 1x2 and stick them onto either side so that it looks like this. You can now grab another 2x4 tile piece and stick that onto the roof, and now you have your own working Lego vending machine. So if I press the blue button, the blue studs come out. If I press the green button, the green studs come out. And if I press the red button, the red studs come out. I hope you liked this video. If you did, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.